as I was filming a video about the benefits of eating salad and resetting your microbiome here. That's why I have a microphone on me. I received the box from Coral Club, so I thought I'll open it in front of you guys. This was actually a relatively small order. Again, I opened it upside down. So I ordered Coral Mine, as always, 3 packages. And there's another package inside of Coral Detox box. Coral Detox box. This is my regular program for daily detox. And I absolutely love it. It also contains Coral Mine. The tape got stuck to it. And other things that I'll show you later. I ordered this time Saffrino. Because right now, being a mother of 3 teenagers, I feel like I need extra help to keep it cool. And this is what it is, based on saffron. Then I have, finally, they have in stock again, Ultimate Max. This is a very excellent multivitamin that my whole family takes. Coral burdock root. This is good also to feed your good microbiome. I should film a video about this as well. And it helps clear your kidneys. Coral alfalfa, also very good, also multivitamin. This plant is awesome. I have a lot of articles about it. I have an article on the blog about it. I talk about it, alfalfa all the time. So, and this is Coral Detox. I just cut the tape here. And hopefully things are not falling out as I'm opening it, because it happens to me sometimes on camera. So this is a program that helps you remove daily toxins. There are water-soluble and fat-soluble toxins, and this program works with both. So we have here Coral Mine that helps dissolve water-soluble toxins. It's all minerals. Then we have H-500. This is hydrogen, and it helps. It's an antioxidant, very strong, powerful antioxidant to make hydrogen water. Then we have assimilator. This is digestive enzymes that help remove fat-soluble toxins and all the leftover food that may be stuck in the walls of the intestine. It's an excellent product. And this is to clear your liver from toxins, coral lecithin. And this program, like all of our programs, comes with a booklet that explains to you the basics of detox, and you can learn. And there's also instructions that explain to you everything about Coral Detox program, and when and what to take, recommendations on how to drink water properly, how to take the rest of the supplements. And it's actually now in Spanish as well. I'm surprised. So it's in English and in Spanish if you order it in the United States.